Hi students, today we are topic the learning system of homogeneous linear equation. Okay, in the previous lecture we discussed the topic is non-homogeneous linear equations. So now we are finding solution of homogeneous linear equations. Okay, first of all see the definition. A system of m homogeneous linear equations in n unknowns x1 comma x2 comma up to so on xn, or simply a linear system is a set of m linear equations each in n unknowns. A system is represented by, so see the given system of equation can be write in the form, that is a11 x1 plus a12 x2 plus up to so on a1n xn is equal 0 is first equation. Next second equation a21 x1 plus a22 x2 plus up to so on a2n xn is equal 0. So up to so on mth equation am1 x1 plus am2 x2 plus up to so on amn xn is equal 0. So the system of equation is called homogeneous linear equation. That means in the equation the right side totally zeros only. Yes, this is called homogeneous. If non-zeros, that is non-homogeneous linear equations. So already we discussed in the previous lecture, already finding the solution of the non-homogeneous. Now we are finding the solution of the system of homogeneous linear equations. So how to finding the solution? Okay, see that. So write this equation in matrix form. Similarly, same procedure, matrix form. The coefficient of the all unknowns is A and X is the unknown matrix, that is equal to 0 matrix, that is equal to, this is a matrix A, as this is X, this is a 0 matrix, that is Ax is equal to 0, where A is equal called the coefficient matrix of m by n order, and X is any vector or solution matrix of order n by 1, and 0 is any null vector or constant matrix of m by n. Okay, this is the definition of homogeneous linear equations. Okay, yeah, solution of system of homogeneous linear equations. So system of homogeneous linear equations Ax is equal to 0 has two types of solutions. Only compulsory solution exists of homogeneous linear equation only. There is one solution is zero solution, second one is non-zero solutions. So zero solution means unique solution, non-zero solution is infinitely many solutions. That means compulsory any one solution is exist. There is zero solution or non-zero solutions. So case 1, if the coefficient matrix A is non-singular and det A is not equal 0, or if the rank of A is equal to the number of unknowns, that is R is equal to n, then the system has zero solution, that is all unknowns is equal to 0, direct zero solution when the matrix A is must be non-singular or rank of A is equal to number of unknowns, then the system has only unique solution. That solution is zero solution. That solution is also called trivial solution. Next case 2, if the coefficient matrix A is singular matrix, that is det A is equal to 0, or if the rank of A is less than number of unknowns, then the system has non-zero solution, that is infinitely many solutions. This solution is called non-trivial solution. So that is the system. In the system the coefficient matrix is non-singular, the system has a non-zero solution, that is trivial solution. The coefficient matrix A is a singular, then the system has non-zero solution, that is a infinitely many solution, that is called a non-trivial solution. These two type solution of homogeneous equation. Okay. Okay, see the first example problem. Solve the system of equations x plus 3y minus 2z is equal to 0, 2x minus y plus 4z is equal to 0. x minus 11y plus 14z is equal to 0. So there is a given system of homogeneous equations. Okay, given that one. Okay, matrix form is ax is equal to 0. Write the matrix form here, coefficient matrix and unknown matrix and 0 matrix. That is equal to first equation coefficients 1 3 minus 2, second equation coefficients 2 minus 1 4, third equation coefficient 1 minus 11 14. So that is A matrix. This is the A matrix. So now is converted to the row echelon form. Okay, now same procedure. So that is equal to here. So this element 0, this element 0. Okay, now using R2 minus 2R1, R3 minus R1. So that is equal to 2 element 0. Okay, now next this element 0 by using R2. That is R3 minus 2R2. 1 3 minus 2 0 minus 7 8 0 0 0. So observing this is row echelon form. Yes. So that is equal to rank is 2. No? So rank is 2 is less than number of unknowns. Number of unknowns 3 kada. So rank A is less than number of unknowns. Therefore by condition the system of homogeneous equation having non-zero solution. That is system as non-trivial, that is non-zero solution, that is infinitely many solutions exist because rank A is not equal to number of unknowns here. Rank A is less than number of unknowns. Okay, that is equal to a number of arbitrary values n minus r is equal to 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So therefore the corresponding system of equations x plus 3y minus 2z is equal to 0, 7y plus 8z is equal to 0. So any one variable is a arbitrary value having, that is y or z. So z is equal to k is parameter. Substituting here 7 minus y plus 8k is equal to 0, then y is equal to 8 by 7 k. Substituting z y in above equation, that is x plus 3 into 8 by 7 k minus 2k is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to minus 10 by 7 k. Therefore non-trivial solution is x is equal to minus 10 by 7 k, y is equal to 8 by 7 k, z is equal to k. So this is a system of homogeneous linear equation, the finding the solution. Okay, see the next solution. Yeah, second example 2. Solve the system of homogeneous linear equation x plus y plus w is equal to 0, y plus z is equal to 0, x plus y plus z plus w is equal to 0, x plus y plus 2z is equal to 0. So totally 4 equations, 4 unknowns x, y, z, w. Okay, so that is a given equations. So that is a matrix form ax is equal to 0. That is the first equation coefficient, second equation, third equation, fourth equation coefficients. So 1 1 z 0 kada, z, there is no z, there is 0 1. Next x 0 coefficient to w coefficient 0 0 1 1 0. Next third equation 1 1 1 1. Fourth equation 1 1 2 0. Okay na. Similarly same procedure. A is equal to matrix. Okay na, A is the matrix. So this is row echelon form, convert this element 0, this element 0 using R1. R3 minus R1, R4 minus R1. That is equal to 1 1 0 1, 0 1 1 1 0, 0 0 1 0, 0 0 2 minus 1. Okay. Next one. So this element 0. Okay na. That is equal to R4 minus 2R3. 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 minus 1. Okay na. So this is a row echelon form. Yes. So rank of the matrix A 4. Number of unknowns 4. Equal chudandi. Rank of A is equal to 4, equal to number of unknowns. Therefore the system has trivial solution, that is zero solution, that is unique solution. And automatically x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, z is equal to 0, w is equal to 0. That is okay na. This is the solution of homogeneous linear equations. So rank A is equal to number of unknowns directly ఆటోమేటికల్ జీరో అయిపోతుంది సొల్యూషన్. ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 0 అంటే ఆల్ అన్నోన్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0. ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 0, వై ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 0, జెడ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 0, డబ్ల్యూ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0. ఓకే. Yeah. See the third example. Show that the only real number k for which the system x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to kx, 3x plus y plus 2z is equal to ky, 2x plus 3y plus z is equal to kz as non-zero solution is 6, and solve them when k is equal 0. There is a given system of equation having non-zero solution, that is a non-trivial solution when k is equal to 6. That is, we have to show that. Okay na? Then k is equal 6, substituting next finding the non-zero solution. Okay, first of all show that k is equal 6, the system has non-zero solution. See the solution, given equations. So rewrite the equation form. So observing here, x plus 2y plus 3z is equal in the right side kxn and x coefficient. So LH is also x coefficient here, right outside, and 1 minus k x common, plus 2y plus 3z is equal 0. Next second equation, 3x plus y plus 2z is equal to ky kada, and the ky coefficient right outside, y common, 1 minus ky plus 2z is equal 0. Next third equation is 2x plus 3y plus z is equal to kz, in the right side kz and right outside z common, 2x plus 3y plus 1 minus k into z is equal to 0. So that is equal to coefficient matrix A, 1 minus k 2 3, 3 1 minus k 2, 2 3 1 minus k. So this is a coefficient matrix of the given system of equations. So we know that the system has non-zero solution. When do you say the system has non-zero solution? Must be the given matrix is singular. Non-singular అయితే ఏమవుతుంది, యూనిక్ సొల్యూషన్, జీరో సొల్యూషన్ కదా, బట్ ఇయర్ నాన్ జీరో సొల్యూషన్. సో వెన్ యూ సే ద కంపల్సరీ ద కోఎఫిషియంట్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఈజ్ సింగులర్ అంటే det A is equal to 0. So no assumption det A is equal to 0. So since given system has non-zero solution, that is it has infinite solution. If and only if must be det A is equal to 0, that is singular matrix. So det A is equal to 0 finding. Det of the given matrix is equal to 0. So now finding det value. So by using the row operations can find directly, no problem. Okay na, directly finding det getting the same, or using the transformations r1 plus r2 plus r3, that is equal to add చేయండి, r1 plus r2 plus r3, 1 minus k plus 3 plus 2, that is 6 minus k, 2 plus 1 minus k plus 3, 6 minus k, 3 plus 2 plus 1 minus k is 6 minus k. So that is equal same. Next here, so from first to row చూడండి, we have common from det, only one from one row we common 6 minus k remaining here. So next using column operation, c2 minus c1, c3 minus c1, that is equal to 6 minus k into this element 0 అండి, అవునా, this element 0, this element 0, by using this column operations. Okay na, now finding directly det, 6 minus k into det value ఇక్కడ 1 into కదా, 1 into 2 minus 2 minus k into minus 1 minus k plus 1, ఇది మల్టిప్లై చేయండి, minus 2 minus 2 minus 2k minus 1 minus k product, that is 2 plus 2k plus k plus k square, 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Simplification is 6 minus k is equal to 0, k square plus 3k plus 3 is equal to 0. So 6 is k is equal to 6 kada, but this quadratic equation have complex roots, but we have to show that k is only real number kada, so it's not required. This is neglecting because it's having the complex root, therefore k is equal to 6. చూడండి, k is equal to 6, the system has non-zero solution is proved, అవునా, hence k is equal to 6. The system has non-zero solution when k is equal to 6 is the proved. Okay, now we have to finding the solution when substituting k is equal to 6 in the matrix A. Okay, this is an important model question. Next continuation. When substituting k is equal 6 in the matrix A. So that is equal to substituting A is equal to minus 5 and k place లో 6 substitute చేయండి. 1 minus 6 minus 5 2 3 3 1 minus 6 k minus 6 కదా అది. That is 1 minus 6 minus 5 2 2 3 1 minus 6 minus 5. Okay na? Next same procedure. This matrix is converted to row echelon form. Okay na? So this element 0, this element 0 using R1. That is R2 is 5R2 plus 3R1, 5R3 plus 2R1. That is equal to simplification as minus 5 2 3 0 minus 19 19 0 19 minus 19. Next this element 0 using R2, R3 plus R2. 5 minus 5 2 3 0 minus 19 19 0 0 0. So this is row echelon form. Yes. So also simplification R2 dividing by minus 19. That is equal to minus 5 2 3 0 1 minus 1 0 0 0. So this is row echelon form. Then rank A is equal to less than 3. There is a non-zero solution. Infinite many solutions. Number of arbiter values n minus r is equal to 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So corresponding equations minus 5x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 0. Y minus z is equal to 0. Okay na? Substituting any y or z is an arbiter values. That is equal, z is equal to t is the parameter. Y is equal to also t. Next substituting minus 5x plus 2t plus 3t is equal to 0. That is substituting simplification x is equal to t. So therefore solution is non-zero solution is x is equal to t, y is equal to t, z is equal to t, where t is any parameter, that is any real number. Okay, this is the solution of this given problem. Okay, see the next one. So this is the topic is system of homogeneous linear equations. ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసాం నేర్చుకున్నాం కదా. For more videos please do subscribe my channel, like and share it. Thank you.